Hello there, how are you today? I'm Mr. Bob and I will be your teacher for today. Today we will talk about the perfect aspect. This is good for grade 3 students or for B1 and B2 students. This is a intermediate or advanced class. Now, when should we use the past, present, and future perfect? How do we make it? And all these questions will be answered. Now, how do we make it? That's the easy bit. Have, has, have, will have, plus the PP. Now, what is the PP? Now, many teachers like to call it the past participle. I understand, but many times it's not. It's not always about the past. There is a present and a future perfect. So I really like to call it the perfect participle. I think that makes a lot more sense to me. Let's see, when do we want to use it and why? A happened before B happened. I really want to say, hey, I did it first. I had played that game before Tim played it. I had worn those shoes before anyone else thought they were cool. That's the past. That's the past perfect. I did it first. I did it before him. That's one time. A happened in the past, but not anymore. It's more complete, more finished, more done than using the present perfect. It's no longer important. It no longer affects present events. Like, I had played that game before, but not anymore. I am done with that game forever. I hate that game. It's the worst game. Yes, I had played, but no. I am done. I've learned my lesson, never again. Or this is a really good example here. It makes it really clear when and why to use the past perfect. Now, Tina had invited me to her birthday party, but then I called her fat up. And now she doesn't like me. Yeah. Very clear example here. At 1 p.m., she invites me. At 2 p.m., I call her fat. At 3 p.m., now she doesn't like me. A little weird, but I really want to show you it's not true anymore. It no longer affects present events. A lot of people get confused about the past and the present perfect. This example makes it pretty clear. Now let's look more at the present perfect. So A happened in the past and it is still true now, or it is still affecting things now. Like, yes, I have played that game. I like it. Maybe I will play it tomorrow. We really could say I had played that game and I have played that game. Most of the time, so many of the times, both are correct, both are fine, both are true. Why? Why would I want past? I really want to say I hate it. I don't like that game again. I don't like that game anymore. Never again. But that's not common. The present perfect is so much more common than the past perfect. Why do we always call it the past perfect? I really think the perfect participle makes a lot more sense. Anyways, and then Dad has lived with Mom for many years. Still true. He did not go away. She did not go away. Good. That's a good sentence right there. Hooray. Another very common time to use the present perfect is regret. I did not do something. I still wish I had done something. Past perfect. I should have, I could have, I would have, I should have done A before B. I should have done A instead of B. Oh no, Eric got a 0 on the test. Oh no. What should he have done before the test? And of course, he should have studied. He should have studied more. And. Oh no, Chip saw Rosie was in trouble with some bullies. Chip got scared and ran away. What could he have done differently? He could have called the teacher. He could have gotten help. He could have said "Ooh-doo-doo-doo-doo." He could have done and. There are many things he could have, he should have, he would have, but oh man, he did not. Chip feels bad, he feels regret. Now today's story is about the Titanic. So if you were a character in today's story, what would you have done differently? Me, I would have gone to the top of the Titanic very quickly. That's me. And yeah, boop. And then we have the future perfect. This is not that common. When, why would we do this? Not many times, but sometimes. And I do want a very complete. I want a very complete lesson. So yeah, let's go for it. Let's do it. In the future, A will be true. It will be completed. Oh, I'm so happy. I just bought another game. By tomorrow, I will have played 7 new games in 1 week. Hooray. Clearly, this boy plays too many video games. So, by the end of this story, who will Jack and Annie have saved? If you read this story, you would know they will have saved 2 children. They will have saved Lucy and William. And yeah, do you want even more practice? Do you want some exercises? Well, I would go on right here. Teacher, I swear, I had written my homework, but then my dog ate it. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't have it now. And yes, teacher, I have written my homework. Here you go. Hooray! That's another good example of past and present perfect. Now, this is very, very, very easy. All you need to do is just tell me, is it past, present, or future? That's it. That's it. And it's actually really quick and easy. You do not need to read the whole sentence. You can, you should. Go ahead. Please pause the video and try. Try to figure it out. Is it past, present, or future? And then, okay, are you ready? You got it? You do it yet? Now, of course, number 1 is future. Number 2 is present. Number 3 is present. Number 4 is present. Did I trick you? Number 5 is past. Number 6 is future. Number 7 is future. Number 8 is past. That should be very quick and easy for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Then, do you want even more practice? Well, here we go. Here's even more practice. This one is a little bit difficult. It's a little tricky, but it's very good. It's very good practice for you. Take a look. Look at the clues. Every sentence is a very clear clue. Is it past, present, or future perfect? And then do it. Write the past, present, or future verb in every After after this play ends, we will have acted. We will have acted in 30 performances. Number 2, my mom, already on our way to Florida. I don't think she's done. I don't think she's done driving, so I'm going to say Mom has driven. Number 3, well, we took it yesterday. We had studied a lot before we took it. This one's clearly A before B. That one should be past. Number 4, when I am in 6th grade. I don't think so, not yet. I don't think this person is in 6th grade yet. So I will have attended every year of school in the same year. Number 5, I love it here. That one's pretty easy. That one's also using the present. So I have been in London for 2 weeks. Number 6, before her father could hold her, the baby had been crying for 1 hour. Oh no, poor baby. I want to hold her. I want to help her too. Number 7, by the time dinner starts. I don't think so, not yet. Dinner has not started yet. I will have finished my homework by the time dinner starts. And then, by the time the next, that one's pretty easy. Number 8, the next president, that one's pretty easy. How long will you have lived in America? And number 9, well, that one's easy. We already know that one's past. Had the chicken been cooked when you walked into the kitchen? And number 10, that movie, the movie Saving Private Ryan, that's such a good movie. That is such a shame. It has not gotten. It is still true today. That movie has not gotten a prize for Best Picture. That's a shame. It really should have. Do you want even more? Do you want even more exercises or practice? Well, here you go. I have another 10 for you to practice with. It's the same idea as before. J and A, that is for Jack and Annie. This lesson is one of the Magic Treehouse stories where Jack and Annie go to the Titanic, and Jack and Annie is J and A. You don't really need to know that much about Jack and Annie. You can still do this. You can figure it out. I gave you the verb. I gave you clues. I think you can figure this out. Please do this for homework. Please fill in the blanks with the past, present, or future perfect. And I will see you next time in class. If you like this video, please like or subscribe. Please ask me good questions. I love hearing lots of good questions from all of my students. Please leave a comment down below or send me a direct message. I really want to hear many more questions from many different students. I love helping students. Together we can learn English. We can get better. We can always get better. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.